Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Google Lens has camera access and your phone's camera is clean. That avoids scanning delays. Hold your device steady and center the QR code in the viewfinder. Open the Google app or the dedicated Lens app, tap the lens icon to activate real-time analysis. Once the lens view is live, you'll see a focus box or live dots. Position the code inside that area. This immediate action gets you ready for the next step without extra setup fuss. With the code centered, let Lens analyze automatically. It looks for contrast and the full pattern, so keep the whole code visible. If the code stays fuzzy, tap the screen to refocus or move slightly closer until the pattern sharpens. You can pinch to zoom but avoid cutting off corners since partial codes fail to decode. Once detected, Lens displays a card or URL. Read it briefly to confirm legitimacy before tapping. This deliberate check prevents accidental navigation to misleading links. Tap the result card to open the link, copy text, or save contact details. That completes the primary task. If Lens doesn't detect the code, change angle, increase lighting, or remove glare and try again. Small shifts often fix recognition. Make sure the code isn't damaged or too reflective. If problems persist, close and reopen the Lens or Google app and restart your phone. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable any camera filters or protective screen glare to improve decoding success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.